After being put on a wait list with over 1 million people, I finally got access to 2 things. In this video, we'll talk about what those 2 things are and why I'm so excited to finally have access now to these 2 features. Hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm Romel, and if you're new here on the channel, we talk about all things related to finance, investing, and building wealth. We share mindsets, strategies, techniques, and resources that you can use and implement to start on your journey to building wealth. Alright guys, so what are these 2 things that I received access to? The first thing I received access to is the Robinhood Debit Card. Like most of the other advanced features on Robinhood, you have to sign up and you get put on a wait list before you can get your Robinhood Debit Card. What I like about this card is how cool it is. I chose the American flag because I live in the US and I think it's really cool. What is the Robinhood Debit Card and how does it work? The Robinhood Debit Card is similar to those that you could find in other banks. The difference is that this is tied directly to your Robinhood investing account. So I guess you're asking, how do you use this if what you have on your account is tied up in stocks? The money that you have currently invested in stocks, you won't be able to access. You can't withdraw any of the money you have invested in stocks if it's currently invested. What you'll need to do is switch it over to buying power or sell your stocks. This card allows you to withdraw and deposit money into your buying power on Robinhood. Why would you want to use this then? For starters, it's a lot easier to access your money. If you have money sitting in buying power, then it's very easy to withdraw it. Unlike other processes where you would need to transfer money from your bank into Robinhood, there's no waiting period. If you have money in your buying power, then you can access it immediately. Another thing that's good about this is that any money you have sitting in your buying power gains interest. The interest rate that you do receive, however, can change at any time. So be sure to check out your account from time to time to see what the current interest rate is. As of June 4th, the current interest rate is 0.3%. Stick around till the end of this video because I'll show you one feature that you need to make sure is enabled to help you maximize your security for your Robinhood debit card and cash management account. If you've watched some of my other videos, one thing you'll note is that I talk a lot about M1 Finance and how I love their fractional share investing feature. Up until now, I didn't have access to fractional shares through Robinhood. This is because, like the cash management feature and the debit card, you had to get put on a wait list with the millions of other people before you can gain access. Now that I have fractional share investing enabled, that comes with one other benefit. The benefit I'm speaking about is access to dividend reinvestment. If you don't know what dividend reinvestment is, go take a look at my channel. On one of my other videos, I talk about some of the pros and cons of the dividend reinvestment plan and why I think it's one of the best and easiest ways to grow your wealth. So what is this one feature I mentioned in the beginning of the video that you should enable to help maximize the security of your Robinhood debit card and cash management account? That feature is called location protection. When enabled, it protects you from people using your card that's far away from your current location. One thing you need to have though is location settings turned on for Robinhood. This feature works directly with your mobile phone. If the card is used far away from your current phone then Robinhood will not let that transaction go through. And those are the 2 things that I gained access to. If you go on Robinhood now and try to get on the waitlist for these 2 features, you'll probably see that there's a long waitlist of people. That's all I have for this video. If you haven't yet, please like, comment, and subscribe down below. Anything you can do to support this channel is greatly appreciated. As always, if you want to connect with me on other social media platforms, go take a look at my Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. Links in the description down below as well, and you can reach me there. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.